Hey Heartbreakers, Elisa and Michelle here, one of my incredible instructors at HEARTCORE. You've probably taken her class before. So I have her here today, so grateful. And so for class today, we're doing a strength routine. So we're gonna be working in scrambled eggs, warming up our hips, warming up our core, then finishing class in fifth lunge, working strength back of the machine. So for class today, you are going to need a pillow or a towel for the support of your knees in the scrambled egg series. And then you're gonna need your long black cables attached to your back platform for when we do fifth lunge. So let me actually just show you. So you wanna have the fullest extension of your cables to do scrambled eggs. Then once we do fifth lunge, you're gonna disattach them and have the cable be attached right into the origin of the cable. So I'll let you know when that happens, but Heartbreakers, thank you for joining us today, and let's get started. All right, Heartbreakers, first exercise, you can be on one black spring, and for more of a challenge, one white spring. We're gonna jump into reverse wheelbarrow with Michelle here. So knees on your front platform, facing the back of the machine, hands at the side of the carriage. You're gonna be in this kneeling push-up position right here, like Michelle. I want you to squeeze your carriage and press away to activate your lats. Now start to slowly send the carriage out towards the back of the machine. And then you're gonna exhale, pull the carriage in, utilizing your lats and your triceps. So I love how Michelle's gaze is like down, like probably at like the 3 on your micro. I want you to squeeze your booty. When you squeeze your glutes, you're gonna feel your lower abs turning on, and you're also gonna protect your lower back. So this is an upper body warm up as well as a core warm up, prepping our core for the rest of this class. Yes, Michelle, this is looking amazing. Also squeeze your inner thighs together so that you get that full core activation, because remember, your core muscles begin at the inner thighs. I love it. I love it. Michelle, how are you feeling here?
Really good.
Yeah, I'd love to hear that. Okay, so we're gonna keep that breathing going as well, Heartbreakers. So I want you to take a big inhale through your nose as you send that carriage out. And then I want you to take a big, powerful exhale through your mouth and pull your abs in. So every time you exhale in this class today, I want you to really exhale, squeeze your abs in up to your spine, all right? So Heartbreaker, we have a little bit under 20 seconds left here until we take it to a set of push-ups to get that upper body warmed up for today's class. So under 10 seconds left here until we have those push-ups. We're gonna stabilize that carriage in 5 push-ups in 4, 3, 2, 1, carriage stable. And now bring that chest down just like the super strong Michelle here, and powerfully press way back up. So inhale, bring it down. Yeah, Michelle, I love these push-ups. Exhale, press it up. Yes, bring it down. Powerfully press way up. There we go. That's it. Last 15 seconds here. Push-ups are an essential upper body movement. All right, Heartbreakers. So it's something that we got to get really good at. Final 8 seconds left here until we take it into a plank hold. We got that plank hold in 5. There we go, Michelle. We got 4, 3, 2, and 1. Heartbreaker, find that plank. Michelle's gonna get into a plank hold right here. Knees or toes. And we're just gonna breathe here again, all right? Big inhale through your nose. Big exhale, squeeze your abs in. Yes, I love that breathing, Michelle. We're gonna be prepping for that reverse plank to pike coming up in 5. We got reverse plank to pike in 3, 2, and 1. Let's do it, Heartbreaker. So you're coming onto your toes. You're gonna be in that plank just like Michelle right here. And all we're doing is picking up the hips towards your ceiling. So long thoracic spine, long tailbone, and you're gazing at the knees, but not cranking your neck forward. And then you're slowly bringing your hips right back down. I love Michelle's alignment here. Her shoulders are right on top of her wrists the whole time. All right, there we go. Yes, so accessing all those core muscle fibers in this lengthened position of the spine. Beautiful, beautiful. Bringing it down, just like Michelle, keeping your feet flexed here. This looks so good. So let's say if you are a very tall man out there, you're a tall man, you could bring your hands right at the very edge right there, and then you can walk your feet even back farther on away off the platform, all right? So just giving you an option if you're a very tall person out there. We've got our last 15 seconds, all right, Heartbreaker? So keep that breathing going. I want you to keep that core activated the whole time. Final 9, we have 8. Take that big inhale through your nose. Big exhale, squeeze your abs in. And we're just gonna get back into that plank in 3, 2, and 1. And just hold it right here, Heartbreaker. All right, Heartbreaker. So next thing we're doing is teaser to pike. So cross your left foot in front of your right. And all you're gonna do is pike up your hips, just like Michelle right here. So long thoracic spine, booty going up to your ceiling, lats engage, triceps engage, and then you're just bringing your hips right back down. There we go. So take a big inhale through your nose as you pike up your hips. So bring it in. There we go, Michelle. That's it. Hips up to the ceiling. And then big exhale, squeezing your abs as hard as you can. I really want you to pull your belly button into the spine and pull your ribs in as well every time you exhale. Just picking it up here. We've got our last 15 seconds until we take it into a plank hold on the forearms, all right? So we got our final 8. We're getting back into that plank hold on your forearms in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So uncrossing your legs and you can drop your forearms down. There we go, Michelle, nice. So dropping your forearms like that, and I want you to hold it here. So big inhale through your nose. Exhale, pressurize your core, pull your abs up. The gravity is trying to pull your abs down, right? I really want you to use your exhalation to pull your abs up to your spine. And I want to take it to a saw in 3 and 2 and 1. So just sawing out and sawing in. So yeah, maybe bring your feet a little bit more back, Michelle, because Michelle's a tall girl right here. So yeah, so it's out. Yeah, there we go. And right back in. A little bit quicker there, Michelle. It's out and it's in. Yes, inhale out. Exhale in. There we go. Inhale out. There we go. Exhale in. Yes. I love it, Michelle. I'm gonna pull your ribs a little bit higher. Yeah. It's out and it's right back in. In 10 seconds, we're going to take it into that other side teaser to pike. We've got 7. Michelle, you are crushing this. We have our final 5. We got that other side teaser to pike in 3, 2, and 1. So you're gonna bring your hands at the side of your carriage and you're gonna cross your right foot in front of your left, and we're hitting the obliques here in our intercostal muscles. So hips up to the ceiling, big inhale through your nose, and exhale, squeezing your abs. And again, just breathe in the way that's gonna work for you. It doesn't have to be inhale up, exhale down. It can be inhale, exhale in, inhale, exhale out, like that. So just keep it going here. I also want you to keep your lats engaged. So make sure you're really powerfully pressing away from your carriage. I don't want you to feel a sinking sensation in your wrists. Okay, Heartbreaker. We're gonna take it into a hold again in 3, in 2, and 1, and just hold it right here. All right, Heartbreaker, now come down to your knees and bring your hands on your carriage. We've got a reverse cobra. So kneeling push-up position. And all we're gonna do is you're gonna be dropping your elbows down, sending that carriage out towards the back platform. And then you're using your lower abs and the strength of your hips to pull the carriage right back in along with your triceps. Yes, so make sure to pull your elbows in towards the side of your rib cage. It's very easy and so common here to kind of stick out your elbows. But if you stick out your elbows, the movement is gonna be in your neck and it's not gonna be in your lats or your triceps. So yes, Michelle's looking super strong here. Make sure to squeeze your booty here too. Make sure to pull your ribs up. Yeah, Michelle, there we go. And just coming right back up. Yes, that's it. And make sure to keep your knuckles as grounded as possible. If your knuckles rise up, you're gonna feel this a lot more in your wrists, which is what we do not want, all right? So you wanna be feeling the strength of your triceps and your shoulders and your lats really working here. So inhale, sending it out, dropping your elbows down like an inch above it, and then use your lower abs, squeeze your lower abs, and imagine your lower abs are sucking the carriage in as you're pulling the carriage in. In 10 seconds, we're gonna finish up our warm-up by getting into our last plank hold, all right? We got that plank hold on the palms or your forearms, your choice, in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So find that plank hold on your hands or your forearms, your choice. And in 10 seconds, we're gonna take it to some leg lifts. Leg lifts in 3, 2, 1, and march your feet. So left foot up and drop it. And right foot up, there you go, Michelle, and drop it. Left foot up and drop it. Right foot up and drop it. So keep marching your feet here. You're really prepping your lower abdominals for the rest of the class that we have coming up. Last 14 seconds here. Big inhale, big exhale. Squeeze your abs. Big inhale, big exhale. Pressurize your core. That's it. Big inhale. There we go, Michelle. Exhale, squeeze your abs. We got your final 3, 2, and 1. And let's take a break.